So we have a Western Digital WD-1600 AHAS hard drive, and we decided that,
We're gonna kill it!
yep, with Johnny. And the exact method is to be determined. I don't know, what do you think? Should it be
I think we should start with the tooth on the back so we can get that to go through it.
the tooth?
Hopefully it doesn't
Okay,
get stuck.
so we're gonna use the tooth on the backhoe bucket and impale it, theoretically.
He said, no, okay.
Alright, say goodbye. Okay. Wow, that's... It's dented! Oh, I think you just... Okay, that's it. That's data securely destroyed. Can I grab it? Check it out. That is some serious hard drive carnage.
That's a good idea.
The platter isn't even like shattered. Or is it?
Just stab that part. So that's all the circuitry right there.
Some circuitry.
Huh. I'm actually surprised that the case just like cracked in half like that. Those things are pretty strong.
Well, look at it's squishing
We're gonna
it.
try the fork when they're back in. And,
What do you
there's
think?
not much left. We can try and get it all the way.
I want you to squish like right to the middle of that, because that's
Yeah.
like solid.
Yeah.
Want to try that?
Let's put it on a piece of wood. Yeah.
I didn't know about that. Oh, it's in half now. downloads for that.